I took the classic Parisian Croque Monsieur and I bastardized it. If you wanted to keep it somewhat traditional classic, you would just have the cheese and the ham. But we're not doing that. We're gonna be using some snow crab, starting off by grating some local mild cheddar, Dijon mustard, mayo, and Old Bay spice to create the base of our sauce. Careful not to overmix, you still want some crab schmeat pieces. In the home stretch now, we're gonna warm up the toaster, slice the tomatoes in advance, and season them directly. I look at recipes like a template, a canvas that I can make my own remix. And today I'm gonna be using an artisanal bread that my girlfriend made for me. Layer this bad boy however you want. You want to make sure the cheese is all melty after it's out of the oven. You can optionally add some cheese on the top or even a fried egg. So this is my Crab Croque Monsieur. The smokiness of the ham blends well with the crab. The cheese too, it just melts. Got that nice Old Bay mustardy mayo that just brings everything together. The chives and tomato bring that freshness to balance the dish. I made two because you can't just have one, okay? Enjoy this. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you want to see some other recipes, check one of these, and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.